Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. How are you? I am fine. I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God, dear viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Design. And you are watching the best and beautiful collection of Hunterwood design. This Hunterwood design is very beautiful and stylish and charming color, especially made for ladies and girls and women. Also applied excellent perfect Hunterwood design, dear viewers. If you are new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my coming uploading video notification fast, dear viewers. This Hunterwood design is very beautiful and comfortable Hunterwood design, especially made for any season and the party wear. Completely waterproof and windproof and excellent romantic Hunterwood design. Dear viewers, if you want to see much more collection, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Design and Design Forever and search my videos about your own choice, just like leather dresses, bridal dresses, summer dresses, winter dresses and much more collection for Hunterwood design. Dear viewers, these Hunterwood design as a fashion for women do not only make image more adorable but also keep our body dynamic. Dear viewers, I hope that like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel and say that subscribe my channel with your friends. Dear viewers, in the comment section, please tell me about my video that how it was respectable feedback about my collection. Dear viewers, my video to be end. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care. You. Allah Hafiz.